So in my goal to be more self-sufficient, there's something I want to try that I saw online that surprised me. And apparently you can grow tomato plants from sliced tomatoes like that. And that was, or is, a Roma tomato. And this container was a container my lunch meat came in for sandwiches. And I got some potting soil out of frame here. Probably gonna have to clean up my kitchen area at some time with this, but yeah, let's see what we can do here. And this is going to be a bit of a long project because unfortunately I don't think I'm going to get results overnight. But we'll see what happens. See how long it takes the plants to sprout. Hopefully I'm timing this about right. I don't know for certain. Not quite gardening season yet, but it does take time for the plants to start growing. So hopefully that's enough soil. And I got a little water here. Unfortunately this won't have any drainage because I don't have anything to way to deal with that. I think I put a little too much water in. So you get the soil kind of nice and damp. Might need a little bit more. It's jiggly. Probably could add more soil. Add more water instead. Pancake batter consistency, that's what we're going for. No, don't do that. Oh wow, it's really sticking to my fingers good. It's really weird. This, I think it's potting soil. Organic premium potting soil mix. I didn't know dirt could be organic, but whatever. So now I'm just gonna put my tomatoes on top here. I don't want to get dirt in my food container, even though I'm gonna wash it. And one of the videos said to wrap them with saran wrap, but I guess you need a little more water. Can't waste that perfectly good dirt. But I don't have saran wrap, so oh, well that's not translucent. Actually I got pallet wrap. I'm back. Alright, I got a roll of wrapping plastic meant for wrapping plastic around pallets of stuff to hold it together. And I got a knife. So I was originally going to use this as a drip tray or whatever to put under the thing because it fits perfectly. But I needed a cover for it, so I thought maybe I would just put that over the top, but it's not going to work. And I think I'm just going to carefully see if I can cut some slits in the bottom of this without cutting myself in the process. This plastic's actually pretty durable. I mean, I could have a sharper blade by all means, but uh-oh, dumping water out. Alright, this is going to be a problem. Alright, well I had a little bit of a mishap trying to cut holes in the bottom, so now I have dirty water all over the place. But I got my saran wrap-ish stuff going over it, and I got some little drain holes in the bottom so it can drain accordingly. So I guess now it's just a matter of keeping it damp, and I think I'll follow up on how this went in a different video. So hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.